Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today my aim is to give you the best shots of Loch Lomond using this DJI Mini and climbing Conic Hill. But that's not how it happens, is it, Sean? I think this one might be counted as a failure of a vlog. Anyway, where was I? We're starting off in Balmoral car park and making our way up that hill behind you. Doesn't look very impressive right now, but I can tell you, when I drove down here, it looks massive. Hi guys, I'm Sean Brett, and this is my travel life. So if you do come down here, there is also a forest path you can take, which will probably be quite nice. But I'm not taking the forest path, I am going on the Conic Hill. You are here, dog walkers. There's a advisable different route for dog walkers because of the lambing season. But it is also signposted up here, so let's begin. So this walk should roughly take 45 minutes to an hour. It's mainly steps and it's quite a very steep incline. I don't like steps, I don't like hills, but I do like views and that's why I'm doing it. So I just dropped my head. Great. As the area is quite covered and you can't really see much at the moment, I want to fly my drone up to see how tall this hill really is, because at the moment you can kind of just start walking up it and you don't really see an end. So let's fly the drone up and see how high it is. There was 3 things I just learned. 1, make sure you're prepared. I didn't pack my memory card, so that quality of that footage isn't as good. The second is don't fly your drone when it's windy. It is very windy out. I nearly lost my drone in that footage, so I probably won't be flying my drone anymore, which sucks. And number 3, and the most important thing, the hill is massive. Like, I didn't get to the top before my drone got taken away by the wind. I am not happy. It looks quite nice here though. So this is the first thing I was warned about when I decided to climb Conic Hill. Apparently there is loads of steps. It's just full of steps. Didn't tell me how nice it's going to be. They just said it's going to be full of steps. It's going to hurt your legs. But it is nice. Oh, there's more steps. Oh, this is a failure. My gimbal's just died on me, so I've got unsteadier footage now. And then on top of this, there's more steps. My drone's not working, I just want to go home. Luckily, there's an amazing view though. But I can't enjoy it too much because it's probably unsteady footage for you guys. Oh man. If you're going to do this and you're going to film it, be prepared. It is so beautiful up here though. Very windy, but very beautiful. So beautiful. As much as there is loads of steps here, I can see why this is one of the favourite walks in Scotland. There's a massive, beautiful view all the way back down. But on the way up, not so great. So I'm finally getting some of those beautiful views that people keep talking about. And it is beautiful. Another thing that people keep talking about is the wind. And it is windy already, as you can probably tell. But I'm not even at the top yet. And it's only going to get windier, so brace for wind if you're planning to do this anytime. It is incredibly windy. This wind is getting ridiculous. Oh. Ridiculous. Yes, I'm currently laying down right now to try and wind block the microphone, but I don't think it's going to help. I really think this is one of the hardest videos I've ever had to shoot. Oh, it's going to be fun to edit this later, I can tell you that. Oh, I believe this is the West Island Way. That's the West Island Way, and this is up Conic Hill. I hope so anyway. I've got a little bit of a windbreak here. I am freezing! So, this is it! Woo! It's a little windy! And that's the perfect shot, Loch Lomond! Woo! Anyway, I want to keep this one as a little bit of a failure of a vlog. It wasn't the best vlog if I think so myself. I don't think that's the best shot of Loch Lomond you're going to get. But it's the best one I'm giving you today because it is super windy and I'm getting the hell out of here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to enjoy the Wanji video. It's a guide to the Wanji, which is really close to Conic, so make sure you check out the video, which is just here.